Alright, here's part 3. It's getting really strong here.
My Wi-Fi is not working. Our Wi-Fi went out and my cellular is being weird.
Oh. Oh my god. It's raining really hard out here. Let's my brightness up real quick. Look at this. It's so foggy. Oh, this spice can go. Never mind. Oh man. You see the fog over there though. Yeah. I mean, I did see the street light come back on though, but the Wi-Fi's gonna take a while to boot up though. I think it's just raining now. Raining and lightning. The wind's kind of calm. Oh, I think I just jinxed it. Oh, I just jinxed it. Pretty much. Oh, it's been doing this for a long time. This Wi-Fi probably out too.
Huh?
This Wi-Fi probably out too. Yeah. Oh man. This is not good. This is insane. Oh. This is insane. Oh God. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to go upstairs and just put on the window. Oh. There's a lot of lightning in. Oh. Oh my God. There's a lot of lightning. You do know this can create a tornado right now if it really wants to, because the lightning, the wind, and the rain. It could either be a rain wrapped tornado, but we don't really get tornadoes like that. It's really rare. Green skies like, oh wow. Oh my God. So it's getting really strong now. Hopefully this will calm down soon. Wow. Woo! Jesus Christ. Whew, you might be back. I'm about to get away from this. Whew. That was really bright. It's getting lighter though, Shanique. It'll be done soon. It is getting lighter. Wow. It's gonna be a lot of lightning though. Whew. Yeah. Oh, that sounds like a. Oh, that was like a nuke. Oh my. Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. It's gonna be crazy now. Oh my god. This thing is really strong. Jesus. Still blowing nuts out here. This is very clean. Trying to get the camera still, but I don't know why it's okay. Oh, probably rebooting. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh, it's hailing now. I see it. I just seen something bounce off the ground. Probably pea-sized. Man. There's some bad lightning out here. Yeah, that's hail. Yep, here's the hail streak. Look at this. It's hailing. See that? That was pea-sized. It's hailing a little bit. I see hail falling. Oh god. Oh yeah, we didn't even hear it. They probably gonna do a bad right now. Oh, that was a lot of shit right there. Well, I really want to put it so bad, but it's really raining. I hear someone screaming and shit. Oh. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's not so bad. This guy looks so crazy. Oh. Oh. I seen some falling at first, but I think it's just raining. It's really more rain than hail falling right now. I'm starting to hear parts of hail falling, but I don't see them. But it sounds like it's hailing, to be honest. Oh, I just saw little debris just fall off that tree right there. Oh, it is? It's still hailing. I can see some go across the balcony. Yeah, that's hail.
100% is not.
Oh, I doubt it. Oh, if that's the case, that's probably it might do it again then. That's hail. I can hear it. That's hail. It's hitting the cars. Yep, that's hail. Look at that. Look at this hail. It's hitting hard on the ground. Oh wow. Hold on. I'm like, it's so dark out here.
Huh? Yes. I don't know if it's dark and it's cool.
Uh-oh.
That's how we went. Oh my gosh. The hail is on.
Oh, look at that.
Huh?
Oh, that's some hair right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got some hailstones on the ground.
Huh? Huh? Here's the other thing.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah, it's on. Huh? Yeah, it's on.
Oh, it's on. It's on, but then they flicker. It's like a flicker. On that line.
It's on now.
It's on.
Yeah, the hall light's on too.
The power's on, I think, because the hall. Huh? Well, the street lights is on, so it's the hall.
Oh, wow. Look at all this hail on the ground. I mean, you probably can't really see them, but it's all over. So it's still kind of hailing. Oh, I think ground is really wet though. It is crazy out here. I think I'm gonna go back upstairs. Try to record upstairs for now. It's pretty much over with now.
Really say north side, stay away from windows.
Yeah, we really do need to stay away from windows though, but like it's kind of going, it's stopping now pretty much. The lightning. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen at 9, but I'm ready. I'm prepared for it though. Okay, we had a tornado watch, but at least we didn't get the tornado warning. This easily could have been a tornado warning. Where the wind power wasn't as strong, but we had some good rain and lightning, especially the lightning. Just had a few hailstones come by. About a quarter inch hail pretty much. Pea-size. That's what I'm really call it, pea-size. Oh, mothball. No, not moth, that's too big. I don't know. Pea-size though, yeah. I'm not really good at these naming hail stuff. I just know it was hail though, that's all I know. You just watch the rest of the storm though, it's pretty much over with though. I'll probably make one more part and that's about it. Oh yeah, I'm not supposed to go upstairs then.
Huh?
You wanna go upstairs?
No, I thought I was in bedroom.
Oh yeah.
They got it up in puddles when they go.
Oh yeah,
The red ones we see.
oh yeah, it's gonna go wild too.
That tree gonna sell? That tree gonna sell or that window?
Honestly, oh yeah, that fell. I think that fell. I don't remember seeing that there. I went to the store earlier, that wasn't there, so yeah, the wind knocked that over. I didn't even hear a tree snap, it fell though. At least our power's back on. Nothing really bad happening. Yeah, pretty good storm though.